Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to Danzique Fitness. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. I'm Desiree, and I am so excited about today's workout. This is specifically for all my people out there that suffer from any wrist pain or discomfort. You know, planks are just an amazing way to get in a full body workout, but a lot of people can't do these high planks because of wrist pain. So don't worry, I got you covered. This is going to be a fabulous workout because all the planks that we will be doing are forearm planks. So this workout is extremely wrist friendly. We're going to work the entire body, and of course, we're going to have fun doing it. All right, guys, grab your mats and let's get started. All right, 45 seconds on the clock. Let's get into a modified push-up pose, of course, on the forearms. Lift the knees off the mat, lower them back down, and then we bend the right knee even more to lift the toes to the sky, and then same thing with the left. So we're keeping the toes pointed the entire time. Knees come up, lower them down, bend the right, lift it up, and then we bend the left, lift it up. Good. So this is really great, working the glutes, the hamstrings. Of course, we're working the core. Good. That's it. That's it. Make sure you keep that booty down. No cheating. Good. Lift the knees up, lower them down, and bend the right toes to the sky and left toes to the sky. Beautiful work, everyone. All right, we have a 15-second rest in between each exercise, 10 exercises all together. Let's get ready for exercise number 2. Back in that forearm plank. And we're just going to take tiny steps in. We're going to pike up, and then we step it out, back to that plank. Lower both knees down, and then we go into a nice hamstring curl. Tuck those toes under, and here we go again. Walk it in. Walk it back out. Knees down. And hamstring curl. Great job, guys. If you want to amp it up a little bit, you're going to stay on the balls of the feet, even at the height of your pike. Walk it out, knees down, and then we curl those heels to the bottom. Good, guys. Pike it up. Walk it back down. And hamstring curl. Woo! All right, guys. Good work. Nice deep breaths during your break, and we'll go into a forearm reverse tabletop pose for exercise number 3. So pick that booty off the floor, hips stay nice and level. We développé the right leg, développé the left, and step out with the right, step out with the left, in with the right, in with the left. Then we repeat, leading with the left leg, développé up, right leg, step out with the left, step out with the right, in with the left, in with the right. Good, guys. Keep going, leading with the right. So the most important thing here is that we're really pushing the floor away. Maintain the space between your shoulders and your ears. Hips stay level, and keep those hips lifting up. So we don't want to drop that booty down to the floor. 5 seconds. Keep going. All right. Woo, beautiful work, my friends. Take a nice stretch over the legs if you need to, and let's get ready for exercise number 4. We're going to go into a modified side plank. So the bottom knee is bent, top leg straight, and all we're going to do is just pulse the hips up. Good. Core is engaged. Think of pulling that belly button in and up. We want to keep the hips stacked. Good. And really reach up with that arm. Beautiful work, guys. Let's keep going. It's a very teeny tiny movement, but hopefully you're feeling the burn. Good. Keep going. Keep breathing. Think happy thoughts. We're almost there. 10 seconds left. Stick with me. Nice job. All right. Take a little side bend. That one is great for the obliques. And let's swing the legs around. We're going to repeat the same exercise, but on the other side. Here we go. Pulsing those hips up. So that supporting elbow is directly under the shoulder, reaching up with the opposite arm. Hips are stacked, shoulders stacked. Core engaged. Pull that belly button in and up. Good job. Stay in control. Keep breathing. Good, everyone. Almost there. 15 seconds. Keep going. Come on. Finish strong. All right. Beautiful work. Take a nice little side bend, and we'll get ready for exercise number 6. All right. We're going to flip back over onto those forearms. We're going to start on the knees. From here, friends, we're going to kick that right leg up, bring it back down, kick the left up, bring it back down, and then we step out to that forearm plank, and then bring the knees back in. Good. And now we lead with the left. Lift it up, lower down. Lift it up, lower down. Step out with the left. Step out with the right. Bring in the left knee. Bring in the right. Good, guys. So we're just going to keep changing leading legs. Good. Keep going. Step out, step out. Make sure that booty is down. And step in, step in. Lengthen that leg. This is all about the length here. Nice work. All right. 15-second rest. We are more than halfway done. Stick with me, guys. Exercise number 7 is up. All right. We are in our forearm plank once again. We're just going to take a little hold here. We lower the hips down, open the legs about the width of the mat, reach the arms behind into a beautiful back extension. And then we tuck the toes under, lift back up to that forearm plank and hold. Lower the hips down, open the legs about the width of the mat, reaching the arms behind, really open up the chest. And repeat. Stay, stay, stay. Lower down with control, reach it back, beautiful back extension. Good. Always pull that belly button in and up to protect the back. And last back extension. Beautiful. All right, guys. Deep breaths. And then we will go to exercise number 8. We're almost there. All right. Reverse tabletop once again. So get those hips off the floor. And we're just doing little jumps as we extend the leg out. We're alternating legs. Of course, if you want to modify, you can take out that little jump and just tap one heel out, bring it in, and then the opposite out and in. If you guys are feeling good, though, I want you to stick in that little jump to switch legs. Good. Keep those hips lifting up so that booty is really engaged, core engaged, pushing the floor away, shoulders down. Good, good, good. 8 seconds. Keep going. Yes, beautiful work, guys. I really like that one. All right, we have 2 more left, and then you are done. Let's finish this strong. Back to our modified side plank. This time we're stacking those knees. We're going to lift up, and we're going to lift, rotate the leg, lengthen out, rotate back in, and lower down. Lift it up, externally rotate, extend, bend, internally rotate, and take it down. Good, guys. So let's keep going with this. I really want you to think about the side of your torso that's closer to the mat. Make sure that side stays really long. So we want to keep the length in that side of the body. Try not to crunch and dip down. Good. This is a great one. We're really working everything here. 5 seconds. Keep going. Okay, woo! Take a nice side bend, stretch it out. And our last exercise is the same exact thing, just on the other side. All right, elbow under that shoulder, knees stacked. We lift up that top leg, rotate, extend, bend it in, internally rotate, and take it down. Good job, guys. Very nice. Again, hips are stacked, shoulders are stacked. Good. Find the length in both sides of the torso. Really lengthen out through the crown of the head. That'll really help you stay nice and long. 15 seconds. Come on, you got it. All right, you did it. Take a nice side bend just to release. I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. I certainly enjoyed creating it for you, as I do all my videos. So please don't forget to give this workout a thumbs up if you completed it. And please help me spread the love by sharing this workout with your friends. I also want to take this moment to just thank all of you for all of your love and support. You know, you guys really keep me inspired and you keep me motivated and you really keep me going. And I truly have the kindest supporters. You know, when you guys tell me I'm enjoying your workout so much and they're so much fun and I'm seeing results and I feel better about myself and I feel stronger and more fit and more flexible, I gotta tell you, nothing makes me happier. So thank you so much. You help me, I help you, we help each other, and around we go. All right, guys, please take care of you, and I will see you in the next one. All right, bye.